Got one, got one. I'm on, I'm on. Oh, wow, that's a good one. I got him, I got him, I got him. Water's super high today. I'm gonna be using power bait. Gonna see if we can catch a limit on these trout. I'm gonna stay on the bank until this water kind of calms down a little bit. That tree used to be above the water. That's where I used to stand. See if we can find any. It's not much room to cast right here. All right, let's see. Got one, got one. I'm on, I'm on. Let's go. I don't know how long he had it for. This feels nice. First fish. Oh, wow. It's a good one. There we go, little rainbow. First one, that's a good eater. Looks like he might have taken it deep though. Might have to go get the pliers and unhook him. But we're keeping him anyway, because that's a good one. Let's go. There we go. That's one on the stringer. I'm gonna leave this here because I'll be fishing this bank for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more power bait on here. See if we can get another one. I was just letting it drift downstream. And he picked it up. Got one. Oh, yeah, I got him. Oh, he came off. Oh, no, he's still there. He's still there. Oh my gosh. He must have ate it really fast. Another good one. Yeah, he's big enough. Man, it's every cast. Two on the stringer already. I'm just using a Carolina rig with this corn power bait. Getting a little bit. And then I'm using my really small hooks. I'm covering the entire thing with power bait. Yeah. Am I on? Do I got him? Yes. Oh, yeah, every cast. Oh, wow, he's jumping. Oh, he's off. No, that was a big one. Dang, at least he didn't break me off. I should pick it up a little bit faster because I'm letting it drift way more. They're eating it just about right in front of me. They stock this place twice a week. I bet they came down here yesterday. All right, we're gonna drift it back down. That's gotta be a fish. I got one. I got him. I got him. I got him. He ate it right up there. Oh, it's another good one. I think, yeah. There we go. Number 3. Felt him. Wow. Maybe I need to loosen up the net. Oh, come on. There we go. Another good rainbow. That one's in between the other two. Pete's a good eater. Oh, shoot. Oh. Nope. Oh, he's gone, bro. Accidentally released him. All right, I'm retied. Let's go grab another one. I notice if I keep it tight enough, I can feel him biting it. There's one. There's one. Got him, I think. Yeah, he's on. Little one. Yeah, let's let him go. At least we're catching enough to be able to filter through fish like this. Hook came right out. There he goes. All right. There he is. There he is. Another small one, I think. Yeah. Looks like I found the nursery. All right, deep in that pocket. Got one. Got him. Got him. Might be a keeper right there. Maybe. This is medium size. Yeah, I think that's a keeper. We're not even near our limit. This is the third keeper. Should have been the fourth, but that one got away. Here we go. That's 3 on the stringer so far. About medium-sized trout. Good eaters. Let's get some more. That's a fish. Oh, he came off. Felt him. Yep, that's a fish. That's a fish. Yes. He feels good. Oh yeah, that's a good one. It's a keeper. I want to say, right? Keeper, come on. Oh wow, that's a good one. It's a good one right there. Good fish. Oh, come on. Get in here. Oh man, is that a brown? Oh shoot, let me loosen up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big rainbow. That's what I lost earlier. Big rainbow right there. It's got to be like a 15-incher. Let's go. That's the size I was looking for. Check how much bigger he is than the other fish. There we go. Stringer's getting heavy. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he's running. Where is he? I can't see him. Where is he going? Oh wow. Oh, he's off. Oh my gosh, he jumped in my net. What? He popped off the hook. No way. Okay, fish number 5. There we go. There he is. There he is. Oh. Yep. He's small. Yeah, he can go back. Hook's right there too. I think I'll go ahead and keep one more good one, and then I might try lures just so I don't have to go through all my power bait. Got him. He's nibbling at me. Yeah, he's on. He's off. That was a medium-sized one. I'm fine with 8 on the stringer, so I'm just gonna try to find a better method to catching them and maybe keep 1 or 2 more. Let's start out with this orange spinner. I usually catch them on those black and gold ones. But hopefully this will work. Haven't fished spinners in muddy water like this yet. See how it does. Oh, had a bite. It's a good sign. All right, I think they're just pecking at it. They must not like the color. I'm gonna switch up to one of those spoons. Definitely a little bit of a brighter color because it's muddy. Okay, let's try this one. Little spoon. Looks just like the spinners I use. I know there's trout over there. Okay. There we go. There we go. I'm on. Oh, yeah. Oh, he feels good. He feels good. On the lure. Is he swimming at me? Yeah. Oh, my gosh. He feels nice. He might just be fighting me good. Oh, I got him hooked in the tail. What? No way. That's why he was fighting weird. Come on, get in the net. Oh, looks like I snagged a little rainbow. There he goes. That's crazy. I didn't expect that to happen. All right, I think it's time for the Carolina rig once again. Here we go. It's a little bit out in the middle. It's fish. It's fish. Is he still there? He's still there. Got him. Oh, yeah. There he is. It's good. That's a better one. That's a better one. Whoa. Actually, he's small. Hooks out. Look at him swim in the net. Another small little rainbow. Let's go ahead and release him. There he goes. Perfect. That's a fish. Got one. Is he still there? Come on. I think he's still there. Got him. Got one. There we go. I can't tell how he feels yet. He's in that tree. Come on, get out of there. Yeah, he's little. There we go. That's a fish. Got him. Decent one. He's too little. Pretty one though. He's a different pattern than the rest of them. There he goes. Let's go right up there. Perfect. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh, I ripped it out of his mouth. Probably wasn't big. Straight in front. That's a fish. That's a fish. There we go. There we go. Oh, he feels nice. Oh, that's a good one. That might finally be a good one. I'm not sure, actually. He's just running on. He's running to me again. Please be good. Feels better. Oh, yeah. That might be what I was needing. Yeah, I think he's a keeper. There's that big one. He's still alive and doing good. Oh, man. All of them are doing good. Well, that's really close in. We'll see if they'll come out for it. Got one. Got him. He hooked up. Let's go. Oh! He's jumping. Little one. Oh my gosh, he's jumping so high. There we go. Little one. We'll let him go. Probably hold on. All right. Come on. That's a fish. That's a fish. He's on. Got him. Got him that time. Feels the same. Actually, he's a little better. He's still tiny. Yep. He's little. Another small rainbow right here. Let's get him back. All right. All right. Got one. He's on. Got him. Got him. How big is he? Oh, maybe. Maybe. Oh, yeah. It's a little bit better. A little bit better. We'll send him back. Okay, here we go. Right out in the middle. There he is. Oh yeah, he's on there. Got him. Got him. Oh my gosh. Is that a better one? Come on. Oh yeah. He's a little bit better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Yeah. Some good ones.